morning children. Previous class you learned the northern plains. Okay children. Today I am going to complete bit part. Before that, once I will revise the lesson. Northern plains. Northern plains are important role in our India. Okay children. It is a hot. It is a greater part of northern India. The plains towards the south of northern mountains. The region stretches from 2,400 kilometers from Punjab, 2,400 kilometers from Punjab to Assam in the east. West side Punjab to east side Assam. Okay. This region is great hotland of India because of here alluvial soil. Alluvial soil means fertile soil. Why it fertile? These rivers are there. So many Yamuna, Ganga, Satluj, Brahmaputra. These rivers are originate from the Himalayas. They are while they are flowing, they are leaving their sediments on the banks. So like that, this fertile soil is forming. That's why that is a hot land of India. Because of this water is there while they are flowing, they are leaving their sediments. So they are all forming. That soil is important for agriculture. Very suitable for agriculture. Alluvial soil that we call alluvial. A-L-L-U. Alluvial soil means fertile soil. Okay children, fertile soil. So here very important the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin, the Satluj basin. Okay children, basin means a river and tributaries. A basin is an area watered by a river and tributaries. The important cities in the northern plains are Amritsar, Delhi, Haryana. These all. Okay. Next, Ganga basin. Ganga basin means the Ganga river originates from the Gangotri, Bhagirathi. It form a glacier means small river of ice. It is originated from Gangotri glacier. When flowing the west side, it is mixed in the two rivers, the Mandakini and the Alkalanga and Gangotri. These three rivers form a big Ganga river. This is okay. Next, Yamuna is a main tributary of the Ganga. Next, Brahmaputra basin. Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra originates in the Tibet where it is called the Isanpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flow Assam. Okay children? Here they form a Sundarban delta. Okay. That is a biggest delta in the India. Okay children, this is all life in northern plains. In the northern plains, life how it is means main here. The northern plains are densely populated with fertile land and plenty of water. Most people are engaged in the farming. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Bihar. Okay children. Here first we learn about Punjab. Punjab, the state is watered by the rivers Satluj, Beas, Ravi, which are tributaries Indus. Punjab shares its capital city Chandigarh with the neighboring country Haryana. You know children. Most people are here. Punjab are Sikh people only. Sikhs. Here Golden Temple, Amritsar, Golden Temple also there. It is the holy place of Sikhs. Okay. Next, even important festival they are celebrating Gurpurab, Baisakhi, Diwali, Holi. People are speak mostly Punjabi and Hindi. Major crops are cultivated here: wheat, rice, and sugarcane. They are mostly they are producers quantities of food grains, eggs, milk and maize, millets. Okay children. Next, Haryana. Haryana people speak here Hindi, Punjabi and Haryani. Okay children. Here the rivers Atlas, Yamuna flow through Haryana. Then next Delhi, we know Delhi is the capital of our India. Here very famous monuments are there. Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, Akshardhama Temple are there. India Gate, Qutub Minar, Gurudwara. Okay children, next Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a large and thickly populated state. Its capital is Lucknow. We know Ganga, Yamuna and Gomati flow through this state. So the land is here very fertile. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, pulses, maize, all here cultivating. They are celebrating people here Diwali, Dasara, Eid. People speak Hindi and Urdu. Okay children, main here monument, Taj Mahal is the important monument is here. Okay children, next Bihar. Bihar is the land of Buddha and Bihar is a land of Buddhist and Mahavira. Why means here Hindi, Urdu and Bengali are the main languages spoken. Next, West Bengal is watered by the Brahmaputra. Okay, the state capital is Kolkata. Okay, children. Here there Durga Puja is an important festival. Bengalis love literature, music and art. Next children, we have to complete here. Bit part page number 23. Open children all of you. Page number 23. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier, Haridwar, Yamunotri. Yes. First one is Gangotri glacier. Okay children. Next second one is the Bhakra Dam is built on the Satluj river. Third one, in Bangladesh the Ganga is known as the Padma river. Padma river. Okay children. Isangpo is another name of the Brahmaputra. West Bengal is watered by the Ganga, Brahmaputra, both children. So, you have to write option C. Next, B. Here some capitals state given children, you have to match it. Where the following Punjab, what is the capital of Punjab children? S. Chandigarh. So, you have to write C option. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. E. Bihar, you know, Patna. Next, West Bengal, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Next, India, we know children, Delhi is the capital of India. Okay children, here questions are correct answers there. Next two are false. See in the scene. Roman, have to complete the answers next class. Now true or false children? The Ganga basin is in the center of the India. Yes, is it true or false children? True. Next one. The Ganga river is the main tributary of the Ganga, so starts from the Himalayas. True. Next. Haryana is the largest producer of the tractors in India. Next, Punjab is a large and thickly populated state. Wrong children. Next, here blanks are there children. Blanks. The dash joins Ganga at place page number 24 children. The dash joins Ganga at a place near Allahabad. Yes, Yamuna. Yamuna. Next one. Punjab and Haryana are two states which get water and electricity from the which dam children? S. Bhakranam. BHA. KRA. Bhakra. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga form the largest delta in the world known as the which delta children? Sundarban delta. Sundarban SUNDERBAN Sundarban delta DELTA Sundarban delta. Fourth one, Dash is the large big populated area Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR. Uttar Pradesh. Next, Dash is a large or completed. Dash is a land of Buddha and Mahavira. S. Bihar. Okay, children, completed bit part tomorrow. You have to complete this part, bit part, and you have to prepare children. Next class, I will give you question answers and ask bit part. Bye, children.